Hello, welcome to Swarup Ki Rasoi. Today I am going to make a very innovative cake. I have not used any artificial colors or flavors in the cake. The ingredients I have used are something which is traditionally not used in making cake, and I was not sure how it will turn out, but it has turned out really tasty and the flavors go so well together. Hope you enjoy my recipe. If you like my recipe, do not forget to click like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. The ingredients required to make the cake with no artificial colors or flavors. You need half cup of whole wheat flour, half teaspoon of baking powder and 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda, 1/4 cup of jaggery, 1 bulb of ginger, 1 lemon, 1/4 cup of sunflower oil, 2 tablespoons of plain yogurt, half cup of sugar, 1 tablespoon of corn flour, less than 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, unsalted butter is needed, and 1 to 2 teaspoons of milk. Take half a cup of whole wheat flour in a bowl. Add half teaspoon of baking powder and 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda and mix it all well. Peel and chop 1 bulb of ginger. Add it to an electric chopper. Chop very finely and then add some lemon zest, followed by 1/4 piece of lemon, and again grind it to fine pieces. Add 1/4 cup of jaggery and give it a good mix in the mixer. Then add 1/4 cup of sunflower oil and again give a good mix. Then add 2 tablespoons of yogurt and again give it a good mix in the electric grinder. Transfer the mixture onto the flour mixture that you have prepared and fold it all in as shown with the spatula. Transfer it to a greased microwavable plate and smoothen it out. Then place it in the microwave and cook on full power for 4 minutes. After 4 minutes, you can check that the cake is done with a knife coming out clean. Add 1 teaspoon of powdered sugar to lemon juice and mix it well. Invert the cake onto a plate and put the juice over it. Make sure you invert the cake after it is cooled, otherwise it will not come out smooth. To make the icing, take half cup of granulated sugar in a mixer and grind it into smooth powder. Add 1 tablespoon of corn flour and little bit of turmeric powder and grind it again. I was concerned about the flavor of the turmeric mixing with the icing, but it was delicious. Once you have grinded it, transfer it to a bowl and add butter little at a time and mix till smooth. Squeeze some lemon as per taste and again mix it well. If it appears thick as seen, add little bit of milk and stir it vigorously to form a smooth frothy icing. Spread the icing over the cake and decorate as per your choice. If you want a smoother finish, use more icing.